How to change TikTok profile picture. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily change your profile picture in TikTok. Open up TikTok application and make sure that you are logged in. And once you're logged in, you could just go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Once landed on the profile page, directly tap on the edit profile button. So just tap on this edit button right beside your profile name, and then you can tap on the change photo option. You could either take an instant photo or select a picture from your gallery, which I'm going to do. So here I've selected the image. I'm going to tap on next. Adjust the image so that it is in the center of the circle. And if you want it to be posted on your story as well as your post, you could check this option. Or if you just want it to save as a profile picture, you could do that as well. So I'm just going to save it. Let me just post it to my story and photo as well. Tap on save and post, and then tap on save and post again. Now you have successfully changed your profile picture on TikTok. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.